Uba Vivek's MIPS SP ke East Hills District hakanok pai sengi jong khatlai tre ula ber arja arpun rio ula Pyndep bagi snar ki badon kti haki kam Lute na ki ATM hamelem mau kriya bat Smith ki don Baroh Hynriew Ngut kata mar ar Ngut na Haryana Assam bat na Shillong. La Pyndep bo badon kti na Shillong day u Pulit ka Special Operation Team SOT Barim u bakerteng u John Fisher Lingkoi Life Ars nam karta u badai na umpling bat u Joyous Dura Hapoh News nam karta na maulai. Shushu ki bala syakam na Haryana ki kentop yo Rahul Khan bat Salim kina bat kini ki day ki bala kam hagas pautare ula ber arja arpun rio nanu district. Hadian ke jingkem ya ki bana Shillong ki Pulit ki la kam sa arngon na Assam kata yo Rejal Korim bat Ulios Ali. Kumban syukdo baga jingja Lute ATM baningkong kadai hamau kriya haka arpuai tere ujemang arja arpusan hasmit haka laipau tere unok pra arja arpusan bat namelim men haka pra tere urempang arja arpun riu. Uba Vivek's ula ong bagi day ki bela tebet naki kam Lute lasyam bat Tang Hapoh Hynriew Minit ki la ban Pyndep kam tu na ATM bat arngot na Haryana ki day ki basnar bha.
3 cases of ATM theft were registered in East Hills District in the recent months. The first one occurred on 21st May 2025, where the ATM which was located at Mokria was robbed, and cash 28,13,100 was stolen. Then subsequently, on the 30th of December, another ATM at Smith was looted, and cash about 35,57,000 was stolen. Then on the 8th of February, the last ATM which was looted was at Milem, and about 35 lakhs was looted from there. The people were professionals. The time which they took for actually stealing from every ATM was roughly about 7 minutes. So highly professional people. We have actually never seen such professional looting of ATMs so far, and this is the first instance where we have seen people actually professionally looting it in such a short span of time. So following the registration, we had registered 3 cases in Maungap, Maranting, and 2 cases in Maungap and 1 in Maranting. And following the investigation by the special cell, on 27th February, a 7-member team led by DSP Operations Simseng Sangma was deputed to Haryana Ngut district. And on the 9th of March, the 7-member team started to conduct operations there with the help of the Central Investigation Agency of Ngut district, Haryana, to arrest these people. As a result of these sustained efforts, 2 accused, and these people who are wanted and also involved in many such ATM cases in the country and also in particular in the northeast, namely one Sri Salim, 26 years, of Doraki, Mewat, Haryana, and Sri Rahul, 31 years, of Bazitpur, Nuh, who were involved in the crime, and actually the main people who actually were involved in cutting down the ATMs were arrested. And following their arrest and all that, the local operations in Shillong also was conducted, where we arrested 2 people who are the local facilitators, namely John Fisher Lingkoi, 32 years, resident of Umpling, and Joyous Dura, 47 years, of Molai Nongkwar. Both arrested from Shillong after the operations in Haryana. And for John Fisher and Joyous Dura, we've got 6 days remand, and for Rahul and Salim, we've got a 5-day remand. Following this operation, yes, on the 12th, another team of the special cell headed by DSP Crime left for Assam, and one of the accused, his name is Rejal Karim, 38 years, was arrested from Chakla under Abhaipur PS in Bongao. And last night, another accused, Shri Lios Ali, 28 years, from Boragao, was arrested under Gurchuk PS. So we found incriminating evidence against these people, and of course the investigation hasn't stopped. Investigation is still on, to actually arrest some of the culprits who are absconding. So the East Hills police is endeavoring that we get all the culprits as soon as possible.
Is it true that one of them is a former SOT personnel?
Yes, it is true. One is a former SOT personnel.
habatin pej bahagi kishap kashap plus F
Ka plus F?
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bada ka batau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi panai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya